Hello guys, so welcome to my channel, and this is Alphonse, and today guys we will going to have another video of unboxing. Okay, so we have this mail finds today. I've been waiting for this mail for since actually I ordered this last May, and since you're the current situation right now, I'm sure that you're pretty aware that you experience the same thing too. Um, so now, finally, yeah, I'm no longer excited actually for this because yeah, these cars already released long time ago. Yeah, but this is the first time that I have this uh, cars diecast. Okay, so I bought this online. Tarmac works. Okay, so we have this two model. Yeah, so let's open it. Yeah. Okay, so I just recently um yeah received this actually today. Yeah, I'm expecting it um last week, or I think after 3 months of waiting, I'm expecting, yeah, that this package will arrive. Okay, so as you can see, this one, yeah, this is the date actually. Oh, see, uh, is it August 26th? Yeah, I checked the mail a week before that. Yeah, so I did not receive it. Okay, so I do apologize for Tarmac. I filed a dispute actually, a case to PayPal. Yeah, because I haven't received this package. Yeah, so I just feel sorry. Yeah, I understand the situation, but yeah, right, that is resolved already. I have this two cars. Okay, I'm sure guys you already seen this cars long time ago. Yeah. Okay, so I have the two. So right, actually I'm still glad to have these cars. These are two of more cars that I've been waiting. Yeah, so here are first this one, the 911 um GT championship. Okay, so these two cars um are, yeah, like China exclusive. Yeah, so this one is RWB, Tarmac Works exclusive too. Yeah, here, China special edition. Mm, all right, so I'm expecting a bigger um a bigger case with this one, since this packaging, it comes with the container. Yeah, so that's the reason why this is smaller compared to other Tarmac. Okay, as a comparison, yeah, size comparison, you can see, yeah, it's a bit smaller because this one includes a container. Yeah, right. Okay, but anyway guys, I'll do a separate video to compare these cars to other. So this is just an unboxing. So the other one is the Porsche 911 G3R China GT Championship 2018, and this one RWB 930 China Special Edition. All right, so I will have another video for this guy, so just wait for it, and I will do some video editing as well. So yeah, feel free guys to check it out. So thank you so much for watching this unboxing, mail finds. um so see you again. Have a great day. Bye.